Hey everyone, it's Daniel Brother Barbaris. In this next video, we'll be setting up our routing and remote or network gateway. So let's go to our GW01 server. We're going to right click, start, terminal admin. Make sure you change this to your username, first.last.adm. We're going to copy here and paste anyway. We'll fix that a little bit later. Let that restart and we'll get to the logon screen. I'll see you in just a few moments. Okay, and we're back. Since we added that to our infrastructure member servers OU, we're going to go to our DC01, open up terminal from the taskbar. We're going to set the description to network gateway. We'll add GW01 as a server to our member server and as a GW server. Okay, so you just copy from 13 to 17, paste, and exit just like that. Now we'll go to GW01, Control-Alt-Insert, other user. We're going to log in with our domain credentials. So first.last.adm. Go ahead and log in with your password there. Give that a moment. Our desktop icon should show up if our group policy pulled down. That's good. Okay, there we go. Press our numlock key. I'm going to go here to start, run. I'll give that a timeout, 60 seconds, and I'll be back when that's ready. Okay, and here we go. So let's go start. Right click on terminal, pin to taskbar, open it up, drop down, settings. Do the same thing here. Run this profile as administrator for all four. Save. Open the JSON file, notepad just once. We'll copy our multi-line paste warning to false. 1, 2, 3, 4. Control V to paste. File save. And close that. Close settings and close terminal. Now we'll open up our terminal one more time. We're going to register our DNS and do a group policy update force. Give that a moment. And then as soon as that's done, we're going to enable BitLocker like we've done on the other ones. These all the BitLocker keys are being stored in Active Directory. So go ahead and do that. Give that a second. And we'll be back in 60. Okay, and we're back. There we go. So double click this PC, see our lock. There we go. Okay, we're going to now install Direct Access VPN routing and include the management tools. Give that a few moments. When Server Manager comes up, I'll be right back. Okay, and there we go. We're going to click our flag icon, open the Getting Started wizard. Give that a moment. We're going to deploy VPN only. There we go. Now, I want you to click here, but then right click and refresh. And the reason why is there's an error or a bug where if you don't do this, then it doesn't, the second network adapter doesn't show up for some reason. So refresh there. Then right click, configure and enable remote and routing. Next, we're going to choose NAT. Next, there it is, Ethernet 1. Next, finish. Give that a few seconds to take effect. There you go. Okay, initialization. And boom. Verify it's green. We can close this and close Server Manager. Now what we'll do is we'll click on Start. We'll type routing and remote. And we'll pin that to start. Click the desktop. We're going to make sure we fix those services for remote access for the servicing pipe timeout like we talked about. And restart the computer. We're going to wait for the logon screen. And I'll come back when that's ready. Okay, and what we're waiting for is this network icon right here to remain solid. So give that a few seconds. There it goes. All right, good job. All right. So now what we'll do is we're going to go to DC02. Okay. And notice the icon here is no internet access. So we'll right click power, restart guest, and we're going to wait for that logon screen as well and verify that the network icon is solid as well and the correct icon. Okay, and we're back with DC02, and our network icon is solid. That means it has internet access. Then we're going to go to DC01, do the same thing, right-click, restart guest, and we'll wait for that login screen. Okay, there we are, and our DC01 is good. So let's log in. Control-Alt-Insert. Alrighty. We're going to give that 60 seconds as well to load everything up. And then we'll ping YouTube and make sure we get a response. I'll be right back. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, 0. So now we're going to ping youtube.com. And we're getting our response. So we've got internet there. Good. We're going to set our time server, or NTP, for our domain controller to time.google.com. And then we'll sync everybody else to that one. Okay. So 182 up to 173. Best practice is to have an external time source. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to use Google's time source, which is reliable. So there we go. So start. Let's go to DNS. And now what we're going to do is we're going to fix our root hints, because right now they're all IP version 6 and they haven't been resolved. So if we can click resolve, and they turn green and become IP version 4 addresses, which is great. See, if you click here, see the unknown error. What if you click resolve? You're good. So we're going to do that to all of these that have an IPv version 6 address. Good. That one resolved because it's already. There we go. That one's good, as you can see. So resolved there. Go down here to any of you that have the colons. You can see IPv version 6 addresses. Same thing here. Resolve. Resolve down to M. Okay. Edit. Resolve. Edit and resolve. And we're good on all of those. They're all IPv version 4 now. So click OK and close DNS Manager. We'll restart that DNS service, and that will allow it to replicate to the DC02. So we'll go to DC02, Control-Alt-Insert, we'll log in. We've already rated 60 seconds with the other one, so give that a few moments and we'll open up our terminal. As soon as our VMware Tools loads and we have a full, there we go. So ping YouTube, same thing, getting a good response. Now we're going to set our time service to sync to DC01. There we go. And good. Query source, DC01. Perfect. We'll start DNS. We're going to go here to our root hints again. Okay. Edit. Resolve. Good. Do the same thing here. Okay. Make sure they're all good. That one's good. Resolve. That one's good. Resolve here. Let's go down to there. Resolve. Resolve. And we're getting there. And that looks good. Okay, we have all IPv version 4. Click OK. Close DNS Manager, and let's restart DNS service. Perfect. Exit. Let's go back to GW01. We'll log in. Oh, typed in that wrong. That's okay. Happens. Typed it a million times, and sometimes it doesn't take. So there we go. And now we're going to set our time server to DC01 from GW01 as well. Wait for our VMware tools to load. Give that a few moments. Sometimes it takes a little bit. So I'll come back when it's loaded. There we go. Copy that puppy and paste. There we go, DC01. And we're good to go on video 8. I'll see you in the next one.